Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Philips Smart Air Fryer Combi 7000 Series XXL, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable shaking reminders on this device. So when you cook or when you fry food in this device, from time to time you just need to shake the food inside to make it cooked well. So from time to time we need to shake it, and it's a very good idea to enable a reminder of the function that you need to shake the food. So from time to time you just need to shake the food, and it's a very good idea to enable it in settings. So open settings, scroll down, find shaking reminder, click OK, and here click enable. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.